Hi, we're back. Today's video is a tutorial using the James Charles MORPHE X James Charles palette, and I'm very excited. It's the second time I recorded this. The first time was a review, and I did an amazing makeup look. I have never done a makeup look like that. I really unleashed my inner artist. I think there was a ghost in my room because it wasn't. I recorded half the video. I don't know what happened. I hope it doesn't happen with this one because Lord knows I'm gonna be pissed. The look I came up with, the other one was much better, but I kind of unleashed my inner artist. I did the Kylie Jenner thing where she puts a pop of color in the corner. Yeah, hope you guys like it, and let's get onto the video. Okay, so round 2 recording this video. If I didn't mention before, I already recorded this video about a week ago. So I recorded this video and now I'm recording it again, and I'm so mad because that makeup look came out looking good, sis. Good. And it got deleted, but I got a cute pictures that or whatever. So I'm gonna do another makeup look using the James Charles palette. I don't know if I should even review it because by now, is it even like worth it? So we're gonna be using this little palette. It's the MORPHE X James Charles palette. It's the James Charles palette. In other words, the Artistry palette. The box comes in, but when you open it, here's the palette. I would say like, oh, it's new, girl. Like, yes, but it's not. I've used it. So here's the palette. This says MORPHE X James Charles, and when you open it, you have the shades, but you also have this paper which says the names of the shades, which are all very James Charles. The palette looks like this. You have your colorful palette, but also it has some shades that don't necessarily have to be for colorful looks. Like the ones up here are more neutral, and down here you got the rainbow, and this middle row is perfect. So this is a 39 pan eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $39, and you could use code James for 10% off at MORPHE or any other influencer you have. We still don't have an MTZBeauty, but soon. So here's the palette. I'm gonna do another makeup tutorial because if I didn't, like I already told you, I already recorded a video using the palette, and the makeup look came out so good. Like, girl, like, so good. I actually posted a picture on my Instagram, so if you haven't checked out my Instagram, I'm gonna link it down below, which is MTZBeauty. You know, gotta plug. Okay, I still don't know what I'm gonna go into, so yeah. I already done my eyebrows, so I'm gonna start with priming my eyes using the MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. So James Charles said if you want the full payoff of the colors, you need to use some kind of eye base or eye primer. I don't think he did mention concealer, but I'm just gonna use this and apply it to my eyes. So like I said, I've already used this palette so I can give you a little overview, and I'm gonna say it's good. It's a great palette, and if you are a fan of James, you should absolutely get it. If you're really into makeup, you should absolutely get it. If you are a beginner at makeup, you should absolutely get it, because you never know, you're gonna need like a colorful, eyeshadow. You know what I'm saying? Like Halloween, girl, like you can whip out your James Charles palette and be like, girl, I got you. I'm gonna go into this, and let's see. I still don't know what type of look I'm gonna go for. I'm stressed. I'm gonna go more the purple kind of way. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Yes, that's what we're gonna do. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go the purple way, and I'm gonna take this shade in single and apply it to my crease. I'm just gonna apply this into my crease. Did you remember him mentioning that some of these shades are considered pressed pigments? I don't know which ones. Maybe the purple one. I don't know why this color reminds me of Barney. Remember, it's Barney. Does Barney still exist? That's the weird question. I want to do the Mitchell technique where he really applies an intense color to the crease and goes with a smaller brush and blends out, taking another color. So that's what I'm trying to do. So right now you might think, oh, this, you crazy, but girl, I don't know what I'm doing now. I'm going to take Pinkity Drinkity, and that's gonna be the color. I'm gonna do the Mitchell technique, and I'm just gonna put it in my crease and blend upwards. I don't know how he does it. Maybe we're trying. Naked Tutorials also uses this technique. What I'm seeing a little bit here is that we're kind of losing pigmentation, which, I mean, isn't that bad. I know right now I have to like retouch the purple shades. I don't know if this Pinkity Drinkity is making it a little bit lighter. Now we're going to take the shade Escape, and we're also going to apply it to our crease. I don't know why this reminds me of Justin Bieber. You know when he used to have all the I know it's reminding me of that song. Is it weird? Oh my, Justin Bieber, he married. Like, oh my god. Like, who would ever thought Justin Bieber was gonna marry another girl? I know it's Selena. Like, all I'm saying is, I'm always in, was it Jelena for life? You're gonna get that Pinkity Drinkity and blending, because you know, when it comes to makeup, blending is like the only thing you should be doing. You know what I'm saying? Okay, before I go in any other color, we need just a moment for Justin Bieber, you know? Like, let's take it back to Justin Bieber 2010? No. Like 2008? I wasn't 10 when he came out. How old was I? Let's check. 2010. Okay, I'm not that. So. Now I'll be taking again the shade Escape and also taking the shade Spooky to darken the purple. I'm going to apply it to the outer corner to really intensify the outer corner. And I really want that dark, so I'm going to take again a little bit just Spooky and apply it to the outer corner. There we go. That's what I want. Now, me. I'm gonna take, oh, girl. I like this purple shade because it has some blue sparkles. So I'm gonna take it. So first, I'm gonna cut my crease, which I never do. If you know me, I never cut my crease. I'm scared of cutting my crease. I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in number 10, and I'm just gonna cut my crease, and I don't know how to teach you how to, so we're just gonna fast forward this step. Okay. Now we're gonna take the color Artistry, and I'm gonna use a Morphe M124 brush. Okay, I'm gonna play this with my finger instead. I mean, this is the easiest look anyone could make, but you know, Sister Jane said too, unless you're an artist, and I did the first time, but we know what happened there. I'm gonna take the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Taking the same brush, we applied that shimmery shade because I want it to be a little bit more shimmery. And I don't know why it's not looking like that. Wet the brush. You can use your Fix Plus. I think it works better. We're gonna take that shade with our wet brush and apply it. Okay, so that's what we got. Now I'm gonna apply my lashes and do my face out of camera, and I'll be right back to show you what else I'm gonna do using this palette. We're back. I already did my face, and I was not gonna do my highlighter, but me. So I already applied a Becca highlighter. I'm gonna apply highlighter that you also get in the Morphe X James Charles palette, and it's this one. It's a beautiful highlighter. I've already used it like several times, so I cannot show you because I already applied highlighter, but we're just gonna take a little bit of it. You could also use it in your eyes, but he does like it for his face, and I'm just gonna wet it. And ooh, really like this type of highlighters, which are more of a champagne type of color instead of a really yellow one. I just saw a video he uploaded with Jeffree Star, and Jeffree Star actually took this color in ring light. And what I like to do when I'm taking a lighter shade, I just like to apply it in the spots I think it's gonna notice more, like here. You know, when you turn it like boom, boom. I love me some highlighter, girl. Now I'm gonna take a smaller brush. What are you? Oh, little brush. We're gonna take these two shades here, and we're gonna apply it on the tip of my nose. I love to do this. I know why I changed the whole makeup look, and a little bit in the bridge, just a little bit. I'm gonna take this one, it's in the color Ring Light, and apply it underneath my eyebrows for that pop color, you know? Not underneath my eyebrows, on my brow bone. I'm gonna do it all purple, and I'm gonna take this shade with a Morphe M149 brush and apply it down here with a large big brush, and this is the Morphe M507 brush to really. I take the smaller brush and take this color, which is an Escape. I remember that shade. And also apply it right on here. I want to do something more fun. I know this is fun, but I want to do like a little thing. So what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna take this shade, which is in the shade Hello, but not that hello, it's like hello. I'm gonna take this shade and I'm going to apply it in my inner corner. You know, everyone's been loving Kylie doing this thing where she applies like a pop of color into her inner corner. So I'm doing that. I'm actually gonna take a little bit so you can kind of blend. Ooh. Oh, okay. Oh, it looks so pretty. Now I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna do some finishing touches and I'll be right back. So we're done with today's makeup look. This is the makeup look I created using the Morphe X James Charles palette. All I have to say is I am very proud of James to coming out with this palette. Being a viewer of James and just seeing all his creativity does really reflect on this palette and all the hard work that he put into this palette. So I'm very proud of him. I know you're gonna watch this video someday, James. So I'm very proud of you. I really enjoy your palette. And thank you for making everyone out there being artist or creative or not creative or don't know anything about makeup, being creative with this palette and all the colors and pigmentations you have in here. So thank you so much. So that's today's video. Don't forget to like this video. Also comment down below what other types of videos you want to see. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell so you get notified when I upload a video. And yeah, you can also follow me on my other social medias, which I always leave right down here. And you guys will follow me on my vlog channel, which is MTZBeauty Vlogs. So hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Colors. That I am recording right there.
Es un blooper.
No, it's no blooper.
Okay.
Yes.